first course I had at Preface was a robotics course. I found it quite fun, so I transitioned into App Inventor. The major projects I had was Google Dinosaur project, yeah, that one. My first real experience with like really hands-on coding. It's kept me hooked ever since.
First time at Preface was actually a hackathon. We had to make a project in App Inventor. I think it was a game, present it to all the parents, and it was really fun. I really enjoyed it.
When I was like very little back then, I thought about how all of the problem sets were really like hands-on. It's more of like we're all learning from each other and the teacher's there to guide us. That kind of really motivated me to go into technology.
They not only teach you key concepts that you need to know, they also teach you like how to create, how to like innovate. It was like mostly online learning. At the time I also filmed a video, like a YouTube tutorial on how to do like conditional statements in App Inventor. The ability to pass on my knowledge, like even as a student myself, feels really rewarding.
A lot of the things that they taught us were real life skills. We were taught to break down large projects into like small little pieces, and using design thinking to really understand how we need to improve our projects.
They do have a really strong emphasis on how you present that technology. That emphasis on how you present, it just really helps me on like how I think about how I talk about complex concepts to other people.
I've been job shadowing as an intern in Preface. I got to like communicate with new people. It was a really interesting experience. I really like about learning at Preface, which is the community.
It's not a very distinct hierarchy really. It's a lot of communicating back and forth. Preface is a company that also engages the community itself. From attending TEDx talks to a lot of different these small events, they are really trying to create like a third space. A space where people can share about technology, and it's a place where I met a couple of friends and we're still in contact.
Some of my closest friends actually, I still have them, and most of them were like really heavy programmers as well. Preface brought me into this whole new community. It was like so welcoming. Our love for programming just brought us together. Getting to do an internship with all my skills is actually really like proud for me. Honestly, it's my first real job. Being able to teach other kids and like pass on my knowledge as well, getting other people into the Preface community as well just made me feel like so happy.
Qualified for the quarterfinals of the Technovation Girls Summit. The concept that we settled on for an app, we called it Trasher. Getting donations from people if they have old things that they don't want, we refurbish it and turn it into something new, and we sell it through the app. I'm proud because we got to the quarterfinals. It was a really, really tough competition.
What really nailed it down was actually getting a scholarship at my school. It was a scholarship on like multiple intelligence, so it's not like one thing that they can pinpoint really. It's like what you've done over the years. So I think this is where Preface really ties in the entire thing, right? It teaches you how to think, how to apply it in your life. It's really trying to put a tech first, but not like forcing tech down. I think that's the approach that really makes Preface Preface. I started as the one being empowered, and now I'm starting to be able to empower others.
I started as a learner, but now I help others start too.
I started as an outsider to tech, but now tech is my life.